Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can rank your questions and answers on Quora, so let's get right into it. So first of all, ranking your questions on Quora is pretty much making sure that your questions and answers do well, and some of the processes or some of the methods you can use to make sure that this happens are the following. These are some tips and tricks which I have learned of. These are not guaranteed to work, however, they will 100% help you, if not make sure that that happens. And the first and foremost is make sure your questions are on actually popular topics that are currently ongoing in the world, because questions that are currently popular in the world will be asked again and again, and people will search them on Google. And if your question or answer is in a popular topic or on a popular topic, it will rank higher because more people will look it up. Another way is to make sure that your questions are and answers are full of keywords which people might search. So that is a bit of a algorithm manipulation which you can use, because the more keywords and buzzwords you have, the more people will click on them. Other things might be to actually promote your Quora answers and questions on different sites. If somebody asks a question somewhere, such as I think Yahoo Answers or a similar site, or maybe even on Facebook, you can link your answer or question there, and you will attract more traffic, and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. Those are some tips, and if you follow them, your questions should reach a higher rank. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.